Hello everyone. In this lesson, we will introduce the bilge separator system. Bilge separator is an important anti-pollution equipment on ships. The bilge separation device of this engineering simulator is Focus 1800 bilge separation device, which is visible from the page ID 61. The system is equipped with a 15 ppm alarm control box and a pump start-stop control box. The 15 ppm alarm control box has a power switch and power indicator and a ppm value LCD display. The pump start-stop control box has a start-stop button for the bilge separator daily pump and the start-stop button for the oil residue pump. The working principle is that the bilge pump sends the bilge water to the first level separation tank of the separator for preliminary bilge separation. Large oil droplets float to the top, and the bilge water containing small oil droplets enters the secondary separation tank. Coalescence and separation are carried out internally to form larger oil droplets and then float up to the top oil collection chamber. The water that meets the discharge standard is discharged downward through the bottom of the separator and flows to the three-way valve to be discharged overboard. When the contaminated oil separated by the first level separation tank is accumulated to a certain degree on the top, the trigger signal of the oil level detector causes the solenoid valve to open, and the compressed air passes through the solenoid valve and enters the upper part of the pneumatic valve. And open the pneumatic valve, and the dirty oil collected in the first level separation tank is discharged to the dirty oil tank through the upper pneumatic valve. When the contaminated oil separated by the secondary separation tank has accumulated to a certain degree at the top, the oil level detector triggers a signal to open the solenoid valve, and the contaminated oil accumulated in the secondary separation tank is discharged to the contaminated oil tank. The system is equipped with an oil concentration alarm panel. There are three system status indicators on the panel, which correspond to the three status of standby, automatic, and test. The digital tube that displays the oil concentration ppm value in the discharged water is displayed in real-time data. The dirty degree of the bilge sampling and monitoring piping can be visually seen by the indicator light. Green means no dirt. Yellow means dirty and needs manual cleaning. Red means serious dirt. The occupancy of the chip memory recording the bilge operation can also be visually seen by the indicator. Green indicates that the memory storage space is large. Yellow indicates that the memory storage space is less than 20%. Red indicates that the memory storage space is insufficient. Alarm indicator. When the oil content in the discharged water exceeds the alarm setting value of 15 ppm, the alarm indicator oil alarm lights up and sounds an alarm. At the same time, the relay operates to control the discharge water solenoid valve to open. so that the three-way valve leads to the bilge tank. To return the discharge the bilge to the bilge tank. The bilge pump stops. The fault indicator of the monitoring device defect. Alarm is used when the monitoring device is abnormal. In order to make the high viscosity oil in the oil collection chamber drain out smoothly and prevent the dirty oil from sticking to the oil level detector to cause control failure, a steam heating system is set up. The basic operation of bilge separator is that first supply power, fresh water, seawater, steam and compressed air to the system at the relevant page for backup. Open the freshwater valve and keep the clean water flowing through the sampling tube for a period of time. Check the display board should indicate 0 to 2 ppm. If the indicated value is inaccurate, adjust the device and clean the glass mirror. Open the outlet valve of the residue water collection tank or bilge tank at the page ID 60. Open the inlet and outlet valves of the separator bilge pump. And the stop valve of the water separator. If you drain from the bilge tank, you need to open the heating steam valve in advance. Open the inlet valve of the bilge separator at the page ID 61. Open the connecting valve of the first stage through the second stage, and the manual three-way valve and related stop valve on the discharge pipeline. And open the water sample valve to the 15 ppm monitoring device. Open the steam heating stop valve. The internal temperature is controlled between 60 to 75 Celsius degrees. Start the bilge separator bilge pump and discharge the bilge overboard. 15 ppm monitoring device automatically switches to the bilge detection side. At the end of the operation of the device, stop the bilge pump. Close the relevant valves on the inlet side, including the page ID 60. Open the seawater inlet valve. Flush the system and the discharge pipeline with seawater for 30 minutes and close all the valves. The device remains full of water during shutdown. The above is the introduction of the page and operation of the bilge separator system.